That's cool. Has a cool looking outside. Once again, this is the Cineton, like I've reviewed in the past. Assembly is super easy. Just connect this middle pole and then the spike here on the end, and you're done. Let's go get it installed. Getting the light installed is very easy. Just find the place you want it and just simply push it into the ground. And that's it. That's how simple it is. Let's take a close-up look at some of the features here. On top, you've got a nice big solar panel. You can see all the different patterns on there. Coming down, the mechanism that makes the whole thing work is located inside here. We'll get to that in just a minute. Down here, there's its branding mark, and then a little bit hard to see here, but there is the on-off switch. And then, like we said before, simply just a pole that sticks into the ground there. Let's take a look at the operation in the daytime. I've just turned it on. Whenever it senses light, it's charging, and at nighttime, it will automatically come on. So I'm going to cover the panel so we can see what it looks like. There you go. And so do that. Now it's charging again. Now we're going to come back later on this evening and take a look at this whenever it is dark out and see what it looks like at night. The sun has just gone down and the torch light has come on. I tested this for 3 days in a heavy rain, and obviously it's still working, so it is rain proof. And we had cloudy weather for those 3 days. After a good charge, this lasted 2 days without sun, and then it stopped working yesterday evening about 2 hours after it came on. But I expect after today's full day of sunshine, it'll last for another 2 days. So I'm very impressed with the light, and it looks great. Maybe a little bit repetitive, but if you're not staring directly at it, it does look very realistic. So I definitely like this light.